As a car owner, you want to make sure your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently for years to come. However, many of us unknowingly make mistakes that can lead to costly repairs, decreased fuel efficiency, and even safety hazards. In this video, we'll explore some lesser-known car maintenance mistakes to avoid so you can keep your car in top condition. Let's start with a common mistake: neglecting to check the condition of your belts and hoses. Your car's engine has several belts and hoses that play a crucial role in keeping it running. Over time, these belts and hoses can wear out, crack, or even break. If you don't check them regularly, you might end up with a costly repair bill or even a breakdown on the side of the road. Another mistake to avoid is using the wrong type of oil for your car. Using the wrong oil can lead to decreased fuel efficiency, engine damage, and even void your car's warranty. Always check your car's manual to see what type of oil is recommended. Many car owners also make the mistake of not checking their tire pressure regularly. Underinflated tires can lead to decreased fuel efficiency, uneven tire wear, and even a blowout on the highway. Make sure to check your tire pressure at least once a month and before long trips. Using high-pressure washes to clean your car's engine can also be a mistake. High-pressure washes can damage engine components, such as sensors and wiring. Instead, use a soft bristled brush and a mild detergent to clean your engine. Not replacing your car's air filter regularly can also lead to decreased fuel efficiency and engine performance. A dirty air filter can also cause your car to fail emissions tests. Make sure to replace your air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, depending on your car's manufacturer recommendations. Another common mistake is not addressing minor issues promptly. Many car owners put off repairing minor issues, such as a faulty brake light or a loose belt. However, these minor issues can quickly turn into major problems if left unaddressed. Finally, not keeping track of your car's maintenance history can also be a mistake. Keeping a record of your car's maintenance can help you stay on top of repairs and maintenance, and can even increase your car's resale value. So, what's the most common car maintenance mistake you've made? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car maintenance tips and tricks.